Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. If you have deleted any of your important data from Google Photos, let us see how to recover it. First, open the Google Photos application on your mobile device. Next, select the pictures you want to delete and hit the delete button at the bottom. This step is not necessary. I am just doing it to show you. Once you have deleted the photos will be deleted from the Photos application of your iPhone as well. Once you have deleted the photos, tap on the library option at the bottom of your screen. From there, tap on the bin option to see all the recently deleted photos. To restore a photo, simply tap on it and select the restore option. Keep in mind that the photos from your bin will be automatically deleted after 60 days. That means you cannot restore the photos older than 60 days. Alternatively, you can use the web browser by going to photos.google.com. After opening the website, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select the trash option. Here, you will see all your recently deleted photos. To restore a photo, click on it and select the restore option. This will return the photo to your folder. If you want to permanently delete a photo, you can also do so from the same menu. Next, to access your archive photos, tap the three horizontal lines and select the archive option. Instead of deleting photos, you may have moved them here, so you should check this folder as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.